Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to draw a shark. It's going to be scary, but I hope you'll be feeling it good. Friends, actually I'm working on a huge project. I'm saying this for the past 3 videos, but still the project is not even completed by its half because it is a huge project. I'm painting on 2 walls, and as I already shown you that it's a huge wall, and I'm planning for drawing more than 70 portraits on those walls. And yeah, not an hyper-realistic ones, but still it's taking a long time, and that video is going to be super cool, and stay tuned for that, my friends. It's going to be huge, and I'm planning for a live stream tomorrow, and it might be on YouTube itself, or I don't know where it would be, and I'll be updating it on my stories, and please stay tuned for that. So friends, so I hope you enjoy this video, and after watching this video, if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. And friends, if you are new to this channel, you might not know what the contents we are having. I have already posted more than 136 videos. If you haven't watched some of those, just go and watch it. It may feel good, and it means a lot for me. Friends, this is the drawing which I'm doing, and I hope you all like this video. And if you like this video, please consider subscribing, and thank you so much for watching, friends. See you on the next video.